Hard water spots can leave unsightly marks on your car's paint, making your vehicle look dull and neglected. But with the right methods, you can effectively clean these water spots from your car's surface. Vinegar naturally dissolves mineral deposits, making it an effective and safe solution for removing hard water stains from your car. Make a solution of vinegar and water in a spray bottle, usually using a 50-50 ratio. Then spray the vinegar directly over the car spots where hard water stains are commonly seen, letting it sit for a few minutes to loosen the mineral deposits. Next, wipe the area with a microfiber cloth in smooth, sliding motions from left to right, gently lifting the stains without scratching the paint. For best results, repeat the process if needed until the spots are fully removed, leaving your car's surface clean and streak-free. Using a hard water spot remover is another highly effective way to eliminate stubborn stains from your vehicle's surface. This professional-grade cleaner dissolves tough mineral deposits and removing water spots from exterior surfaces with ease. With a gentle, no-harsh substance formula, this product delivers professional results while protecting your car's finish from damage. After applying the remover, wash your vehicle with an acid-alkaline brightener to restore its natural gloss and remove any lingering residue. This balanced solution neutralizes surface contaminants and enhances the clarity of your car's paint, bringing out a deep, reflective shine. Finish the process with a rinseless wash to leave the surface spotless, smooth, and brilliantly polished. It ensures your car looks freshly detailed every time. A chemical water spot remover provides fast, professional-grade results, breaking down tough mineral deposits in seconds without damaging your car finish. First, start by spraying a waterless wash evenly over your car's surface. Then, gently wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth using slow, sliding motions to remove dust and debris. This step helps prevent dirt particles from scratching the paint during the water spot removal process. Next, apply the water spot remover onto a soft sponge, then dab the sponge over the car's surface. Scrub gently in small sections. Apply light pressure to loosen stubborn mineral deposits and dissolve hard water stains effectively. This careful motion helps protect your car's paint while ensuring a deep, even clean across the surface. Finally, spray the waterless wash again. Then wipe the surface with a fresh microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue. Your car will get a final, refined touch, leaving behind a smooth, shiny, and spotless finish that enhances its overall appearance. By following these cleaning methods, you will eliminate hard water spots, protect your car's finish. Keep it looking glossy, smooth, and freshly detailed all year round.